Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, afternoon, evening. Thank you all for being here today, and welcome to this lecture on dropshipping. It is my pleasure to be standing before you as we embark on this journey to explore the exciting world of e-commerce. Dropshipping has revolutionized the way businesses operate, allowing entrepreneurs to start their own ventures with minimal upfront costs and inventory. It has opened up new avenues for innovation, creativity, and financial independence. Today, we will delve into the fundamentals of dropshipping and uncover the strategies and techniques that can help you succeed in this dynamic industry. Before we begin, let us first understand what dropshipping is all about. At its core, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method in which the seller doesn't keep the products in stock. Instead, when a store receives an order from a customer, it purchases the item directly from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer's doorstep. In simple terms, dropshipping allows you to act as a middleman between the supplier and the customer, without the need to handle any inventory or shipping logistics. During this course, we will explore the advantages and challenges of dropshipping. We will discuss how to find reliable suppliers, select profitable products, and build a strong online presence. We will also cover strategies for effective marketing, customer service, and order fulfillment. Moreover, we will touch upon the importance of building a brand and establishing trust with your customers. While dropshipping offers incredible opportunities, it is essential to recognize that success in this field does not come without effort. It requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. There will be obstacles along the way, but with the right mindset and the knowledge we'll gain today, you'll be equipped to navigate the challenges and carve out your own path to success. I encourage you to actively participate in this course by asking questions, sharing your experiences, and engaging in discussions. Remember, the more you invest in your learning, the more you will gain from this experience. By the end of this course, I hope you will leave with a solid understanding of dropshipping principles and strategies, as well as the motivation to apply what you've learned and embark on your own entrepreneurial journey. So, without further ado, let us dive into the fascinating world of dropshipping and uncover the keys to building a thriving online business. Thank you once again for being here, and let's make the most of this learning opportunity together.